Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make brownies easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your melted butter and sugar, stirring until they are well blended. Next, whisk in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the flour and cocoa powder to the wet ingredients, mixing gently until no dry streaks of flour are visible. Be careful not to overmix the batter.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying these easy brownie tips, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fantastic content. On another note, speaking of delicious things, these leak-proof containers are fantastic for storing your brownies or any other meal prep you're doing. They keep everything fresh. You can find a link to these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
It's time to bake. Carefully pour your brownie batter evenly into the prepared 8x8-inch baking pan. Place the pan into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Remember, overbaking can lead to dry brownies, so keep a close eye on them for that perfect fudgy texture. The hardest part is waiting. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for clean cuts and a perfect texture. Once cooled, you can easily lift them out of the pan using the parchment paper or foil. Now, cut your brownies into 16 even squares. They are ready to be enjoyed by you and your loved ones. Simple, right?
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.